What's up, you guys? So today I'll be working with Supernova hair. This is how it came packaged. A pretty purple silk bag, and inside it came inside another plastic bag with all the essentials that you'll need: a wig cap and an elastic band, and of course the wig. It always comes with a net around it and the white stuff inside. And here I'm just showing you the clips that's on the inside and how the wig is constructed. It's clips along the perimeter and along where your part will be. And there is little to no shedding, and that is where I'll be cutting. So now I'm applying my tresemme heat protectant. And I don't want to apply oil because oils make your hair like limp and not flowy. So I always use a spray leave-in. And sorry about my voice, you guys. I am, sick right now. Pray for your girl. But yeah. So right here, I am just showing you how I straighten it. Will basically blow out my hair. This is a straightening comb, and I definitely would recommend this comb. 10 out of 10 every time. Like a blow dryer could never for my hair. The way this straightening comb works for my thick. You see how thick my hair is? Like no product, just that spray, just that heat protectant, and that little straightening comb, straightening brush works miracles. I'll put it in the description box below. But yes, let me tell you, my ends are soft. I can run my fingers through it. It detangles at the same time. Like, I could just go on and on about that straightening brush, but it took me about 5 minutes just to do one side, and then 5 minutes to the other side. Like, it was nothing. And I will show you guys compare the sides because it's crazy. Like, I don't know what I was doing before the straightening brush. Like, you could wear twist outs, braid outs, the fluffy, look. You could do this before flat ironing your hair. You can do this, just so you can do a protective style easier. You can part your hair easier, or like when you want to wear braids or something like that, box braids or something. You want your hair to be, easy to manage and part. See that side? Can't even run your fingers through it. This side, the straightening comb side, yeah. Get into it. Stretched, okay? So now, boom, this is my afro. I big chopped about 1.5 years ago. And my hair is like back like it never left. So now let's get into parting our sections out. This is where my leave out will be. And you don't need a huge section. Just make like a little U. You want to make sure it covers all sides, the back and the sides of the wig. I didn't take that much out because my hair is thick and I didn't want to be flat ironing for days. So I'm just gonna break that up on out the way and braid the sides down, and then braid the rest of my hair. Okay, so now I have everything braided down. I'm going to crochet the ends of my hair into the braids. You can also twist, flat twist if you don't know how to cornrow. But just take your time with the crochet needle, because sometimes it will get stuck on like other parts of your hair and things like that. So just make sure you're closing the latch when you're going through your hair, when you had the hair and you're going back through, and so on and so on. So now let's get into this wig. I'm going to go ahead and cut the tabs off. And again, I will show you the clips that are around the part, and then it's 3 clips around the perimeter. Also, it has an elastic band, and it came with another elastic band also if you wanted to sew that in. So now let's just put this bad boy on, see how she is sitting. And you want to make sure you open the clips before you put it onto your hair. And you just clip those right on into your braids, to your cornrows. Okay, now, so as you see, I am flat ironing my leave out, and let me tell you, I was so close to get to my scalp. I was so scared of burning myself because I chopped all my hair off almost, a year and a half ago, and I haven't flat ironed nothing, none of my hair, just weave. So I was trying my best to get to my scalp. This flat iron was not even getting hot, so I didn't really get the best results with my hair. But, we gonna finesse it like always, and it's gonna look right by the end of the video. But I had only used the leave-in spray, so my hair is very, like, how do you call it? Like, flowy and light, and, So I was trying to flat iron it the best I could, but my ends, I haven't trimmed my ends since I big chopped either. So that's a big part of why they weren't, cooperating. They were looking raggedy at the ends, if you can see that. So yeah, I will be doing a trim very shortly, and we're just about to finesse this wig, so just stay tuned and watch your girl get into it. And you can move the clips on top of the leave out or whatever. You don't even need to have leave out on the sides if you don't want to, but I just, I wanted it to be covered. All right, so the middle part is what really counts. You need to make sure you cover all sides of the tracks. You don't want any track showing. You can do a side part or a middle part. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Her name is Tattooed Curls. I'll catch you on the next one, and peace.